The Kia EV9 is an all-electric mid-size crossover SUV produced by Kia. It is the second Kia model developed on the Electric Global Modular Platform. It is also the second model in the manufacturer's EV electric car range after the EV6. Kia officially unveiled the production version of the EV9, featuring a similar design to the concept, as well as second-row seats that rotate 180 degrees. Concept. The EV9 was first unveiled as the Kia EV9 concept at the 2021 Los Angeles Auto Show, featuring 3 rows of seats. The concept car features an interior that can transform into a meeting room. The Kia EV9 offers 2 battery options, a 76 kWh battery or a 100 kWh battery. The real-world range is estimated to be around 400 kilometers, 250 miles, for the smaller battery and an impressive 500 kilometers, 310 miles, for the larger battery. Production. Kia unveiled the silhouette of the production EV9 via an internet teaser on the 3rd of March 2023. Design. The production version retains many design elements from the original EV9 concept, which was first shown in November 2021. Kia said that it is formed from a polygonal design language that uses triangular fender structures and highly pronounced geometric wheel arches that combine with the fuselage body. Kia also says the EV9 is very aerodynamic, although it has many lines and edges.